Welcome to Zero Waste Program. Let's not waste our world, our life. Let's give meaning to our world instead of wasting your life. Today we are going to talk about celery, how to deal with celery waste. Celery. So celery, people usually use the stem, but they throw away the base, and some people even throw away the leaves. And obviously the store and the farmers already cut out so much leaf, which is again very wasteful habit and destroying the world. So what can we do with the waste of celery? Right? So when you're eating celery, eat it like that. So eat all the stem, eat all the green leaves, but leave some of the leaves like this. Some of the young leaf, which is still not forming, but it will form. And you will see that, it can form a plant like this. Can you see that? The same thing has been planted, and it is started to becoming plant like this, and the leaves have become green. So more exposure to sunlight, it will become more green, and it will start growing to a new celery. And say you can still have new celery stem. If the new stem forms like these stems, right, will form big stems which you can break and eat along with the leaf. So let's take the advantage of why eat. So one of the thing which we get from these one is the leaf. You can keep eating the leaf, and the leaf is the most nutritious part of celery. Right. So what are the advantages of celery? Can you see that? Huge amount of celery leaf, and which you are wasting, which you are getting free from your waste. So it contains most of the calcium, potassium, manganese, iodine. It has 0% fat. It has vitamin C, K, A, E, and all in the waste. It's coming from the waste. Fiber. You can eat the leaf fresh even, because it's absolutely fresh, and you have to eat it with. Here you can actually eat whenever you want. You harvest it when you want to eat. We can even send you growing celery if you can't able to grow your own for some reason. So you can order from us fresh celery, growing celery. It costs, I think, if it's in a milk container. You see this milk container like this. It's 2 pounds. Or we can give in a flat container, something like this, where we put 10 of them. Is 10 pounds for 10 celery growing plant. Of course, the prices are subject to change. The deal is only valid, say, for next 3 months. So celery can be eaten fresh. It could be cooked. It could be used as a herbs. So it has the same celery flavor. It prevents cancer. It gets rid of free radicals. It is an antioxidant. It reduces blood cholesterol. It reduces high blood pressure. It's good for heart. Improve your gut health. And 100 gram of leaf only contains 35 calories. It's very good for weight loss program. It is anti-inflammatory. It's very good for hydration, and many more useful thing which you get from waste. You are wasting. Not only you're wasting the world, you're wasting your life. So if you waste your waste, like if you're wasting all these things, dangerous gases are released right from your home. When you throw in your bin, these are the dangerous gases which gets released. NO2, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, carbon dioxide, methane, hydrochloric acid, hydrofluoric acid, 100 plus dangerous compounds are released. Waste causes cancer. So when you throw any of your waste, it will give you cancer. But if you don't throw it, because they are not dangerous, you're not polluting the environment, you will not get cancer. It reduces your cost. You have no cost in disposing the waste, and you are getting huge amount of benefit from these things, from your waste. Never waste any waste. Yeah, own food is 100 times better than the stored food. Deadly chemicals are used, like own food or our food is 100 times better. And you are just wasting it away. Live your life. Save your world and humanity. That's not the end. Because you eating better food, you're getting better brains, better jobs, you're leading a better life, you're getting more revenue, you're getting more customers, more earnings, more livelihood. If you for any reason cannot process your waste, please send us the waste. Right? So you can send it. We are accepting waste in India and UK. Or you can send it to a local recycling center. You can volunteer to run one of those recycling center and mint a lot of money. That's a massive return. So recycling, you can, if you can't also process, you can sponsor recycling. There's a massive return. You're getting almost 200% return based on the contribution level. See the below description to sponsor recycling centers. You will get massive return. Not only you will save your life and the world, you will also get massive return by helping us recycle your waste. Best is if you recycle your own waste. Okay? For any reason you can't recycle your own waste, you can sponsor our recycle, whatever line of business, whatever you call it. You get 200% return up to, depending on the contribution level, and you can start contributing for £1. Of course, you don't get, you get only good food for £1, but if you contribute £1,000, you get 25% a month. You get food worth of £1,200 worth of. If you contribute 6,000, you get food worth of £12,000 worth of food. I hope you will join our movement to save the world by having a zero waste world. Remember, even 1% waste will destroy your world, destroy your health, and eventually harm you drastically. Let's not waste our world. Okay, catch you later. And don't forget to contribute and subscribe. You can contribute for even £1. Thank you. Bye.